संजय जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे आशीष न्यूज के रूबरू टॉक शो के अंदर। संजय जी, आप एक मेंटर हैं और आप एंटरप्रेन्योर बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो एमएसएमई का हमारा ये जो 2 दिन का कनक्लेव हमारा विज्ञान भर में चल रहा है, 18 एंड 19 नवंबर 2024 को 5th हमारा बिजनेस कनक्लेव ये ऑनगोइंग है। तो इसमें आप एज अ स्पीकर शिरकत किए हैं और आप बच्चों को, एंटरप्रेन्योर को मोटिवेट करते हैं कि वो, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चों से मैं मिली और बच्चों की यही व्यू थे कि आपसे मिलने से पहले, आपके लेक्चर से पहले उन्हें लगता था कि यार बहुत मुश्किल है, स्टार्टअप वगैरह बहुत कुछ होगा। लेकिन आपने इतने इजी वे में उन्हें सिखाया कि उनको लगता है कि यार मैं नौकरी क्यों ढूंढूं, मैं एम्प्लॉयर, मैं नौकरी देने वाला क्यों ना बनूं, मैं एम्प्लॉय क्यों बनूं, मैं एम्प्लॉयर क्यों ना बनूं। तो ये क्या आप मिरेकल करते हैं बच्चों के साथ, थोड़ा सा हमारे दर्शकों को शेयर कीजिए।
Thank you. Here, the one key concept about it is
Okay.
the ecosystem.
Intimate voice.
Ecosystem means planet ecosystem, people ecosystem, and profits. So the businesses are looking for the profits, right? So they have to take care of the people. People ecosystem is inclusiveness, and so we have to like the entrepreneurs has to be scale, means the scale should have been around in billions. We have to, at the global scale, if we see that the people ecosystem inclusiveness has to reach where the poverty will be less, or SDG goals will be achieved, and further it is connected with the planet ecosystem. So if the planet is not there, then people will not survive. And people will not survive, then business cannot become sustainable.
Yes.
So we have to see this in an integrated way.
Yes.
Similarly, the startups or the students who have completed their education, they have to think that how they can contribute or add value to the society, how they can be useful for themselves, for their family, for their society, for their country, because that is where they will be.
Yes.
Really means having the highest value for themselves also.
Yes.
So that is the concept. With this integration, I want to convey this message to the students.
Okay.
To think long term, think about the profitable business.
Yes.
And profitability will come only when you will take care of the people and the planet.
Yes. Correct. सबके बारे में सोचना है.
Yeah, because we are connected.
Yes.
So we can grow in a connected way. So that is what we say, that what Sudhir Kutumbakam.
Exactly.
So we have to go to our value system. So the value system is simple. So that is why doing this business is very simple. So because that is already ingrained in us, or that is already that value system is already we have grown up with. Right? So that way it is easy the students to understand that we can be also valuable part of this ecosystem. Because looking for a job and finding that we do not have value is one aspect. But finding the uniqueness, each individual is very unique. And the uniqueness is like in trillions, you can find the single. So it means everyone is very unique.
Yes.
With that uniqueness, if they can bring it out for themselves and for their world, only then they will understand their own value first.
Correct.
That value they have to understand for themselves, and then they can create many businesses.
Good. Correct. Thank you, sir. Thank you.